Must be hatching time or whatever they... Is it, do they hatch or what? These things. There's a gazillion of them anyway. Absolute gazillion. Lovely jubbly. Morning folks, look what we've woke up to. I've had sort of wee bits of cloud inversion, but not really a full one. But this one is absolutely fantastic. It just looks like it looks like a cloud I see with the mountains sticking up. Absolutely fantastic. This is why you go out. Just for these sort of moments. Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors.
It's almost as if it's kind of growing along the ridge.
It's getting bigger. Rounder. Right folks, we went up to the summit as you saw in the previous footage. It's really fantastic views. It was a bit misty, but the views were great. I'm just having a cup of tea now. I think it's about 10 o'clock, isn't it?
Half past.
Half past 10.
Half past 10. I did tell you, I did say that at quarter to 11. I reckon it's 10:30, quarter to 11.
Yeah.
It's still quite light, it's alright, you can see.
Yeah.
Watch Eddie.
I'm heading over the edge here.
Aye, don't back up anymore.
Right. Aye, just as well your back
your hat will be left behind in the air.
Just as well, I'm just looking at the back here, I'm pretty near the edge. Just as well you were looking.
Well, I know what you're like, you can get a bit carried away when you get your camera.
I know, I don't.
You forget about everything else.
I know, I remember that time, was it Ben Lomond, I saw you were a bit wary, I was worried about the camera. I think you were thinking, don't fall off and kill yourself.
Well, it's a bit, you did that in Ben and Locking, there's bits to film and bits not to film.
Aye.
Aye, a good wee afternoon, didn't we? Late evening.
Aye, it was.
Stroll up to the summit, got our tents up and there was a wee breeze. Good wee spot, found a few other spots, didn't we, that were pretty tasty.
We found a few spots that maybe view-wise are even better.
Aye, maybe.
I mean I think this might be the best pitch spot overall though.
I think it is.
For a few tents, Well,
it was the one that stood out when I did it a few months ago, when I was up at the end of winter, so I just took a wee note and thought we'll come back. I thought you'd probably quite like this, so it's a good place to camp. We just lost a wee bit of the breeze right enough.
I know, I can feel the midges in my head.
It's not terrible. It's not terrible, but the wee breeze we had just, it kind of comes and goes.
What's your schedule for dinner then? Are you?
I don't know.
Are you bothered?
Well, I'm alright. Just the midges need to just.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I mean, to be honest, I could probably do without something to eat. I mean, I've had.
I'm not bothered either.
See how you think.
We don't.
We don't. It's no.
We don't. Just wanted a wee cup of tea, and while the wee breeze was going, I think it was worth making it.
Aye. Yeah, I can feel my face getting tickled here.
Right. I'm not getting you hunters, alright?
No, just. And this wee microphone's great. This wee. Is it £40, £30, whatever it is, it's certainly worth 40. I think it's 30, but it's worth. It picks up every sound. This wee video micro. I'd highly recommend that. It's not any midges. It's not as midges and crane flies.
No, you've not got any midges or crane flies, mate, but... Are you ready?
Aye. Right. I'll give you the plate, alright mate, and that's fucking...
There's no cream flies in that, mate.
Just shove it.
Maybe too much water in this. What I should do is pull it. That's what the lid's for.
That's right. That's it. Oh, for God's sake, mate. I said I wasn't hungry. Check that lot. God, Bennett. Best restaurant you can get. Out in the hills at night. That's it. I think in native, I'll make something in native. Play native. Mind your language, your camera's on. I'm threatening to make something. I'll make a curry, mate. Honest, you can't beat my curries. You can ask MD that survived eating one.
Aye, mate. When I look at the state of your cup, mate, that makes me nervous.
No, I'm not like that when I'm cooking.
Aye.
That's a different thing.
I believe you. Thousands with me. How is it? Cooked enough, is it?
Yeah.
You can't just let it boil, it just simulates the pasta. Only need a couple of minutes anyway. It's just fucking green flies sitting here. Oh well. Okay, it's a quick and easy dinner, that's a good thing about it, and it's fairly cheap.
Yeah.
So it ticks a lot of boxes for doing that. And it's relatively easy to do. It's you know, like 5 minutes it's ready. But you know, you just... Okay, sorry, you Molly like it because you don't get it that often.
Aye.
But you know, when you make it, you just become a bit sick of it. I added pepper into yours, by the way.
Did you?
I
put
just
milk
added it
pepper.
in, mate. It was just
Ah,
it was
sorry.
easier, quicker. When your bottle opened.
Ah. No, no, no.
No, no.
Save that for later. Aye.
I think I'd like a wee curry next time.
Oh,
Just something a bit different.
I'll shine the light on you and get you.
Ah, well, it's hot. That's all I can say. A late dinner. Must be
Is it midnight?
Must be, aye.
Must be about midnight.
I would think it would be. It's 10 past.
10 past.
Oh well. 10 past, yeah. Oh well, I was looking a wee while ago, we maybe wouldn't get a dinner.
Aye.
Aye, it's alright. It's hot.
Right folks, 8 AM. We've been up since, I think it was about 6:30, 7:15 Billy shouted on me. I mean I was awake since about my usual 6:45. I always seem to wake up around about 6:45 when I'm out. I don't know why, it's just been my natural clock. When I'm outside anyway, you know, I always seem to wake up about 6:45, but I don't, usually I lie in, I don't just get straight up out the bag outside. I usually lie in for another hour or, well, longer, till I hear somebody else stirring and then I'll get up. I need to get up early more often, this is what you see. No, this is unusual. For me, this is easily the best one I've ever seen. But this is probably a proper one. I've not really seen sort of bits of cloud inversion, but this is a real McCoy. Right, we're heading up the summit. Can't remember even if I said that at the start. Anyway, that's where we're going. Willie, you missed this one. You missed this one. It's great taking the video, but it's something else when you're here, isn't it? Pictures and video don't get the full. Yeah, a good bit. Especially if you've got a big 65-inch 4K TV, you get a good effect, to be honest. Gives you a good impression, but you can't beat being here.
No, it was a bit like the sun. The last of the sun setting last night, wasn't it? It just was so, just a wee line. It was just so bright. It was almost like a lightsaber.
It wasn't getting it.
The camera just couldn't pick it up. You can only see it with your eyes, but it was pretty spectacular. But I had a wee feeling this was going to happen. I kind of thought that when I saw it kind of roll in last night. I thought, I wonder.
I did say that, to be honest.
I had a wee feeling it might have happened. And it did, and it's pretty.
Well, you've really a lot more. You've got like 20 years.
Look, it's just something you just.
Of me.
It's just things that. Well, I was saying that to you last night. I haven't seen one for a while because, you know, I don't camp that often, and I don't go up early to do my adventures. My adventures are generally late afternoon or lunchtime at a set off. So I deliberately leave my trips for later in the day, so I finish late, and I usually get in the house when there's people have already done. So my trips are a bit different. So I don't see cloud inversions that often. So it's nice. That's a cracker. It's one of the best ones I've seen. I've had a couple of crackers right enough in Glencoe and Bridge of Orchy, but this is a cracker. And it's always nice to see it local. If you've just been up the road. But it's a cracker. It's a real pleasure to see that. And it just looks spectacular.
Yeah.
Just with the peaks, just with the Araka, there's just so many peaks popping through. So it's good, and they're all fairly close together.
It looks a bit like a shark dorsal, a wee bit like a yodie, right enough. Don't need that dorsal fin sticking up for the sea of clouds. No get this sitting in the house.
Aye, pleasure. It's always a pleasure to see something like that. So,
aye,
very welcome indeed. Aye, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's good. Couldn't ask for any better. It'll probably look quite nice over the summit way. So we'll go up, have a brew, and we'll go up and have a look.
We're going up, have a look. Have a look at the summit.
See how it looks at Loch Goylehead, is it? Goyle.
Well, I want to say thanks to Mike, Mountain Mike, Live Simply Films, for sending me his books. I've not started reading them yet. I'm not much of a reader, but I will start, and I'll probably work my way through them. So, thanks, Mike. Top of the world, floating in a sea of clouds. Right, Billy, you coming down?
No, it's alright.
You're right up there.
It's not quite as nice, but it's just vast, isn't it? Just doesn't quite have the same kind of feeling of depth with the peaks poking through, but it looks good. Actually does look like a sea of cloud.
It looks like the whole earth's covered.
It does, it looks great.
I think the whole earth was covered. You're above the clouds.
Aye, it's cool, isn't it? It's good to spot that. Hero shot, is it?
I don't mind a bit of physical. Fantastic! Great stuff. Wish everybody that knew me was here today and for YouTube.
Now Eddie's going to take a dive
Aye.
into the deep end.
What a morning.
Can't beat that.
The whole sea, the whole world's covered in clouds and we're above it.
I've seen one in the Cooling Ridge as well. Not as good as that, but no, in terms of the depth. It's just cracking. But I had one in Skye. It was nothing like that. The Skye had jaggy peaks and all that. It kind of looked cool, but no, I mean that's just massive. You wouldn't know any better. Just cool. That was good. Well, definitely worth coming. It was meant to happen. Well, the weather was good for it, and it was a good wee spot to camp. And
I like the hike up as well, just enough.
It was all good.
But just enough for a rucksack, really, you know what I mean?
Aye, it was. It's good.
It spends all day here, but we need to go. Head back down to tents, pack my mess, and then head back to Glasgow. Clydebank. Yeah. Fantastic. Complete 360 as far as the eye can see. cloud inversion. Unbelievable. Fantastic. Even Billy's impressed.
It's nice to see.
He wasn't impressed with the spam dance right enough.
No, I wasn't. I can't say that. It's something that I'll
never get
really
done.
remove from my memory.
I'll get you to do it.
I'll try.
We'll get you to do it one, maybe in career.
You never know. Never know. Stay tuned.
Yeah. I think people would tune in just to see that.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Ah well, we've knocked it off the day.
Oh aye.
Right place at the right time, I think, as they say.
Yeah. Right, we'll slowly head.
We'll head over to the wee
I'll head over to that peak and we'll have another wee look, why not?
A wee look at the tents above.
Yeah.
A wee elevated view above the tents and have a wee look at the clouds from there.
Okay.
And then I think down to the tents and pack up and get a cup of tea. On our way. Leave it for someone else.
Back down for a cup of tea. I just never get tired of this. Never get tired of looking at this. Struck gold. Struck gold this morning. Fantastic. It's easily my best morning out. In terms of just what sights, you know, this is fantastic. I think my best night was still the Lomond Hills. I was talking about that to Billy. That was the lowest hill that I've been on, camped it, and yet it was the best sunset. In fact, by far the best sunset I've seen on the lowest hills. So you don't need, you know, you don't need to go up the Munros. Obviously, you know, this is not Munro, but we're still, for here, I think Billy said we're like 2,000, what are we, 2,500 feet, Billy, at the camp?
Aye, 2,580.
There you go, 2,580, so nearly 2,600 feet.
And the summit's 2,779, I think.
Right.
2,778.
So I'm guessing if you'd need to be over 2,000 feet to see this. Obviously the higher the better. We're at just at perfect height, I think. Right, can't stay here all day unfortunately. Need to head back, get my mess packed. Billy's will take about 2 minutes. His is all neat and nearly done. Mine's is a bomb site.
pretty windy.
Scott's Wild Camper, the channel for the great outdoors. Get yourself out, folks. Get yourself out. Can't you whack it? 10:35, we're all packed. Nothing's left. Took all our rubbish. We've packed all our rubbish away in the packs, as you always do, or you always should do. I usually end the video here. I'm not really one for taking a lot of footage in the hike down. Just I take plenty on the way up, so I reckon I don't need to take a lot of footage on the way down. But I'm going to make an exception on this trip, so I'll be taking a wee bit more footage on the hike back down. So I'll see you later. Take 2, folks. I was just saying, it's definitely climbing. Yeah, climbing up. Right, this time we're on our way from happiness to misery. Eh? Back home. No, that's misery. You can't beat this. Right, got this bit to negotiate. That's the only dodgy bit. It's not really dodgy, it's just, as I said yesterday, if you've got a big pack on me, things strapped on, you know, that's what makes it awkward. Right, I'll turn the camera off, eh? Heading into the clouds.
Star Wars.
Yeah, aye. Very Star Wars, yeah. Right, folks, definitely we'll be heading into the clouds soon. Definitely. Same view, but still great. Down there, I can see the path away down there. That's good. Billy's waiting impatiently. Right, that's me down off the first. Well, not the first, I'm taking it for us coming down. That's one of the ascents done. Then we get a wee level bit and then it's all downhill for there on. Yeah, sweating again. Definitely in the cloud now. cloud or the mist, whatever you want to call it. Nearly there. There's the road, as you can see. Our cars are parked. I can see the car. Yeah, still there. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we'll be there.
Plus, I don't like the memory. When you add memory and all that, so you really need to buy one with, you know, a large amount of memory to make it useful.
Billy's talking about a new phone. His phone conked it. You need to buy a new phone.
It's just the battery. The battery's pretty much dead.
Well, that's what happened to mine, and the phone went. It doesn't. It's just.
That's the first time in all the phones I've ever had that the batteries ever went a bit naff. But then that Sony phone was changed under warranty for me, and I left it in the house for a year and a half before I used it. So I don't know. I'll see. We'll try one of the new Sonys, the XZ or ZX or whatever. I think it's XZ1 or XZ2. I think. You know. We'll see. I think that's something I'll need to do soon. It's just you can't be bothered transferring all your stuff over and setting it all up again. That's becomes a bit of a pain.
We're on the home straight. The home straight. Sprint finish, folks. We're at the sprint finish. And there we are. That's the starting post. Just now the end post. And that's it. End of another trip. Right folks, if you've stuck it out this long in the video, I hope you enjoyed some of it. That was Wild Camp 106. Know that I'm counting. Next trip is Wales. I'm pretty sure my next trip's going to be Wales in well, less than 2 weeks. With Jed. Couple of nights in Wales, and after that, the week after that, should be with Stuart and Billy. Well, I'm definitely going. I've got that in my mind now to go back to Korea. So Stuart should be going. Maybe Billy. We might be doing our own things when we get there. You know, Billy might be doing a couple of Monroes. Me and Stuart. Well, I'm easy Aussie, but you know, it's sort of trip organised with Stuart. So Stuart, I think, wants to go to the Bothy, so I'll head to the Bothy with Stuart. And if Billy goes, he can do what he wants, and we'll meet up. We'll meet up somewhere. Right, folks, I think I'll end it. That's enough. So I'll go back to my usual saying rather than bye for now, as I said in the Lake District. That was a mistake. I'll go back to my usual ending. I'll see you for the next one.